back. My name is Nicole. I am a homeschool mom to 3 girls, and this is my channel. I talk about eclectic homeschooling, homeschooling early elementary, pre-K, and toddler. This is my life, and this is what I like to share. So I just did a video about what I'm doing for my work boxes for my pre-kindergarten daughter. This is a new way of doing pre-K. I'm super excited about it. We have been really struggling getting her engaged and happy and feeling like there's a special time just for her and things that are for her that are curriculum, which aren't really curriculum, but that's fun because she sees that big sister gets all kinds of special workbooks and special activities and all this stuff, and she wants something of her own. So I recently came across, when tirelessly researching subscription boxes that might appeal to her, I found a subscription box, and like y'all see, I have nobody follows me, so this is in no way like sponsored, or these people don't know who I am. But I found this box. This is called the Preschool Box. This is our first box. And I'm kind of excited about it. So I was going to show you kind of what was in it, because it's kind of fun to get a subscription box for the kids. They know that it's just for them. They're super excited. And if you're anything like me, I do not want to put this crap together. Sorry. If you're anything like me, I don't want to have to be putting this stuff together constantly, especially for a pre-kindergarten or a preschooler, because there's a lot of fun that they can have, but I like things as easily done as possible. So let me show you some of the stuff that's in it, because I thought it was kind of fun. If you get it, they always have like your first box is the same first box for everybody. So the first box starts with the letter A, and you get flashcards for A. You can hide around, and they have words on them. This is fun. It's an alligator on really good cardstock, and the stuff to make it into an alligator. You get a book. It is an instruction book for the parent. Here is what your stuff is going to be for the couple weeks, and it's for a month. And then in the back it has a couple worksheet pages, like super not crazy workbook pages. But I really like this. This is one of the crafts she made. She had to cut out the cloud herself, and then this is made. So cute. We have some kind of number and bug game. She will be learning A, B, C, and D in this box. So we have more flashcards. Came with paint. It came with all the stuff pre-printed on for you to make the activities that go with the quote-unquote curriculum. And it divided everything up into baggies. So this is for the letter B. It's going to be a bluebird. This is little thingies for the math I saw. This is for the color matching. It is amazing so far. She's super excited about it. I'm super excited about it because, again, none of this is stuff that I couldn't do on my own. But I would have to buy it all, get it all, organize it all, and I don't want to. So I'm pretty excited about this box. It's fun so far. It's really exciting to get a subscription box. I know I would be excited to get a subscription box, and I see how excited she is to get it. So this is what we have added into our work box. Can you see it? Can you see it? So that's what we have added into our work boxes, and I just divide this stuff up per day, and she gets to do it if she wants to. And it's just super fun. It's super easy. And I just wanted to share it because it has been great so far. So